Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to change your language on Rednote. Alright, so if you want to change your language to English, this video is for you. Right, so let's get started. Right, so first step you want to take is of course open your Rednote app and log into your account. Next, you have to click on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. All right, so once you click on that, from here you're going to see your profile and some other features right here. But if you look right here, you're going to see this gear icon, which is the settings icon. All right, so go ahead and tap on that. All right, once you tap on that, you'll find all these options right here. Go ahead and select general settings. All right, so once you do that, the first option you're going to see at the top is languages. Click on that and select your preferred language, though there are limited language option right here. So if English is your preferred language, go ahead and select that and then head back just like this. Right, so that's how you can actually change language on Rednote. If this video was helpful, if it was, give this video a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys, and I will see you in my next video.